back in there.
Why?
Hold out your hand and close your eyes. Close your eyes.
What are you putting in my hand?
Close your eyes.
They are closed.
Look the other way.
What the fuck is that?
Baby, are you serious?
Ash. Okay. That's not funny, alright?
Dude.
Okay, just, Ash, seriously, don't, okay? Baby, you know I came from... You fucker, you better not... No, stop it, Ash!
Oh my god, come on.
It's not funny, I don't like it. Baby, I will freak out. Baby.
She's
Scaring me.
Come out, Cherish.
Is it a bug?
It's a bug. Take it from her.
Damn, dude, that's huge.
Come on. Just look at
Ash,
it.
leave me alone. Ash, you're such an asshole. I can't believe you made me touch that.
It's a dead bug.
I can't believe you're taping this.
Come out.
No, you're sinister.
Come out.
No.
Come out.
Make the bug go away, and I will.
It's away.
No, it's not.
It doesn't exist anymore.
Walk to the other side of the room. I don't believe you.
Come on.
Where is it?
Oh shit, no!
You better not get it near me now. It smells like toilet.
Well, now I have to dry it out.
You're drying it out?
Mm-hmm.
It's a dead bug.